Today, I'm going to bring in some modules for your studios. These are actually grips that grip onto the studio lights, if you guys can see it. I'm going to actually use one of these to hang on to this pole here. I have my LED light in there, but I actually need two of these to actually retain some cameras or something, or some equipment. And you can put this like for overhead views, pretty much a lot of the different things, lighting, LED lights that you want to surround them, maybe a microphone. This is a perfect way to do it. So we bought two of them, and we're gonna set up two of them to see how they look, and we're gonna set up some cameras on it so we can do some reviews on it. So let's go ahead and take a look at it. As you can see, this is pretty much what you get, but this is what we're gonna actually go for, something like this. It has that extra grip. If you guys, let me show you guys, there's some rubber ends here that you can lock it in and tie it down. The mount itself, it's ready for any kind of camera mount, if you guys can see it. And it's a ball head that you can actually rotate in 360, even down lower to the area here. If you can just loosen it up and try to do this in one hand, you can pretty much rotate this however you want. So you could have this pretty much overhead, acting as an overhead camera for a bird's eye view. Microphones, you can set a bunch of different attachments to it, and this one works on many poles, not just this pole in particular, but you could use it for multitask poles. So we're going to set up two of these, and it's going to look like a cross, but I'm going to do a review on some cameras that I need to have some attachments there. So let's go ahead and continue and see what we can do and show you the final product. All right, let me show you what I use them for. I have one camera here. This is not the camera in there, but if I want to take the light off and put the camera, I can do that. I have the other one in here. So if you guys can see, I have all my cameras set up in here. I'm gonna be facing my camera down, so it could be a bird's eye view on that one, or overhead cameras. You can do that. With regular 4K cameras, you can produce really good quality of videos. If you buy these things, these are not that bad. They're very rugged. They're standalone, and they pretty much go on any kind of pole. So check this out. I have two different angles. All right, I got my main camera here, poles there. We have a demo of a keyboard for now, and look at this. I got different good angles on my OBS. I'm able to track the stuff that I'm doing. Not bad, not bad. So out of one light pole, I set up these two angles, different angles, and they're 4K cameras that we're trying to, webcams that we're testing out right now.